Okay, when you take it out, make sure you do not touch the inside. Forward, inward. Only touch the outside, like that. And put it inside a bag. We use the face mask. Touch only the outside. Throw away the plastic bag. Hold the two stripe. Put it on your face. Make sure the bottom part cover all the way down under the chin. It's all sealed on the side and the top. And then wash your hand after that. Okay, if there's no direct sunlight for your mask, you can, like I'm cooking some food, and you steam over your mask. And make sure your mask is all stretched out like that, so the steam can reach most of the area. Try to get it closer to the steam as possible if this is hot enough. Well, you can try to put your hand over on the steam, it's pretty hot. So, well, better than by doing this, you better than not doing anything and reuse it. Try to steam it for at least 2 to 3 minutes on one spot. Make sure you steam the strap too, because your hand touches it. Set on 375, and my food is done. Okay, turn off the oven. Take out my food. and the oven is still hot. The oven is off. Take the mask out of the bag. Open it up. And put it inside the oven. It's still hot. Close the lid and cook that for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is up. Time to open it up. Still hot. Touch only the outside. You can feel the heat of the oven. And the mask is hot, and that's how we take care of the reused one.